Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, guys. Alright, so for those of you who are new to the channel, thank you for stopping in. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my crafty uploads and so that you can be part of this lovely crafty community here in Lovely Land. Anyways, and those of you who are current subscribers, thanks so much for coming back. Okay, so I just finished up the corner tuck card that our good friend Roxyfur did on one of her videos. And if you go to her channel, Roxyfur, she gives you a link to this printable, and she says it's to size. Now, I didn't print it the way she said to, so it really isn't for me, but nevertheless she gives you all of the sizes for the paper. She labels it pattern and white paper, and then she also has the score mark. So I just did a couple more notes on here just so I'll know what to do in the future. But nevertheless, so this is the card that I made using this is the corner tuck card that I made using her instructions. And so what you have inside is a little note, a place to put your sentiment, or write something nice. You can also add some additional embellish it up a little bit, but this one actually is for my husband, so I didn't want to go too far with it. It's for his birthday, and I actually had stamped it using some pigment ink, some type of really some ink that didn't dry quick, and so it smudged a little bit. So if you look here, you'll see, you see it? Alright, so anyway, so I just put that little trim down there, but that's what happens when you do handmade. And then I stamped it on the back with my favorite stamp. But I thought that this was a really cute way to make that card. And then I just made a little envelope using the envelope punch board by We Are Memory Keepers. And so the card comes out to be 4.5 by 8. No, it comes out to be 4.5 by 5.5. And so that's an A4. So it fits perfectly inside that size envelope. And so I figured I would show you how easy it was to make that on camera with all of the pieces already cut out. So let me just show you how it matches up. So here is the 4.5 by 5.5. No, 4 by 5.5. White. It's scored, as she said. Here is the pattern paper. I'm not sure I'm using this side. That's gonna go here. Let's see, the white 2.5 by 4 is gonna go inside of that. Then we have the pattern, other piece of pattern paper, and because the last card that I made last night was, the corner tuck card I made last night was for my son's friend's birthday party earlier today. When I was making that one, I went on ahead and cut out a second set for another card. So I will make this on in the video, on camera. In the first comment below, I'll send this to you. You'll be able to put your own sentiment on it. So I will leave the this part off just so that you can add a sentiment on it yourself. But this will be gamer themed, so for those of you who have a boy or maybe a boy's birthday coming up, or a gamer in your family, you'll be able to use that for that. So that goes there. 2.5 by 4, 2.25 by 4. So then you would flip this over. You would use, we're using this side. This is the pattern 3 by 3. Here's the white 2 3/4 by 2 3/4, and then this is, I think I'm using this one, 2 by 2. Okay, this one goes here, this part, this corner, which you would cut a 3x3 square out and then cut it in half. Now for this you'll need, what is it? You'll need foam tape so that it sits up a little bit, and so that this, where is it? So that this can slide underneath it, but you'll see more when I finish up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue this down, and I won't bore you with more talking, okay? I'm just gonna let you guys listen to some music while I go through this part, okay? All right, so there we have it. Just a quick and easy. As you can see, it was not that painful. Now, if you like this, well, if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But if you like this card and you want me to ship this out to you, and I'll even drop in one of these printables, go ahead and put me down in the comments below, and I'll ship it out within the next couple of days, free of charge. I'm just sending it with a little love, and you'll be able to. I'll add a couple of 1.5 inch circle punches so that you can add your own sentiment to it and pop it up on some foam tape. I'll even add some squares in there for you guys. So anyways, I just want to thank you guys for watching, and until we're back here again on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.